Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to destination for all things drone. Helicopter. Today, we're putting two exciting models head-to-head, DJI Neo 2 versus DJI FPV 2, but which one delivers the ultimate flight experience? From agility and speed to camera performance and controls, we're breaking it all down. Whether you're a cinematic flyer or a speed junkie, this comparison is for you. Stick around to find out which drone takes the crown in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic drone comparisons and reviews. Design and build quality. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 features a compact, foldable design tailored for casual pilots and content creators, with a lightweight body that emphasizes portability and ease of use. Its build is sleek yet durable, designed for urban environments and daily flying. The Neo 2 continues DJI's push toward ultra-portable smart drones that feel more like lifestyle gadgets than professional tools. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2, on the other hand, is a high-speed racing-style drone with a more aggressive, fixed-body design built for immersive first-person flying experiences. It's not foldable, but its aerodynamic shape supports high-speed flight and agile maneuvers, crafted specifically for drone racing enthusiasts and adrenaline seekers. The FPV-2 also includes a robust frame meant to withstand minor crashes at high speed. Flight performance and speed. DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2 is built for stable, automated flight, likely featuring obstacle sensing and smart navigation modes to suit beginner and intermediate users. While it's agile and responsive, it's not designed for high-speed flight or intense maneuvers. Its strength lies in controlled, smooth flights for content creation and recreational use. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2, by contrast, is all about speed and intensity, reaching up to 140 km per hour, 87 miles per hour, with ultra-responsive controls. It offers 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, acro mode, giving pilots full control over flips, rolls, and tight turns. It's designed for experienced flyers who want cinematic speed or racing thrills, making it far more demanding but also more exhilarating. Camera and video capabilities. DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2 likely features an advanced dual-camera system, possibly with a 1/1.3 CMOS sensor, for K60 video, and creative shooting modes like Active Track, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse. Its camera is stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, professional-looking footage, geared toward content creators and vloggers. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2 carries a 4K 60 camera with rocksteady EIS, offering high-speed footage with digital stabilization. While great for immersive visuals, it lacks the gimbal stability and creative modes found in the Neo series. Its footage is more dynamic and visceral but not always cinematic or smooth, as the focus is on speed and action. User experience and control. DJI Neo 2. DJI Neo 2 is expected to be very user-friendly, likely compatible with the DJI Fly app and controlled through a standard remote or even smartphone-based interface. It's ideal for beginners, with tap-to-fly modes, return-to-home functions, and enhanced safety systems that allow confident flying without deep piloting skills. DJI FPV 2. DJI FPV 2 offers a more complex experience, especially when flown with the DJI FPV goggles and motion controller or traditional remote. It provides an unmatched immersive flight experience but has a steeper learning curve. Manual mode, in particular, is intended for experienced pilots who are comfortable with acrobatic flying and full manual control. Best use case and target audience. DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2 is built for casual users, travelers, influencers, and creators who want a small, smart drone that's easy to fly and produces cinematic content effortlessly. Its automation and safety features make it perfect for everyday flying and capturing social media-ready footage. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2 is for FPV enthusiasts and thrill seekers who want an adrenaline-pumping flight experience with immersive visuals. It's also useful for creative professionals who want dynamic, action-style drone shots that traditional drones can't deliver, though it requires more skill and practice. Safety features and crash resilience. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is likely equipped with advanced obstacle sensing in multiple directions, including forward, backward, and downward sensors, along with automatic return to home, RTH, and no-fly zone alerts. It prioritizes safe, automated flying, which is especially valuable for beginner and casual users. Its lightweight build also reduces potential damage during minor impacts. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2, while equipped with basic front sensors and emergency brake functions, relies more on the pilot's skill to avoid obstacles, especially in manual mode where obstacle detection is disabled. However, it has a more rugged frame and propeller guards available to help it withstand high-speed crashes better than most consumer drones. Immersive technology and accessories. DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2 supports standard DJI controllers and app-based features, making it easy to fly with minimal accessories. It's expected to work with the latest RC2 style smart controllers, offering a bright display and intuitive controls, but doesn't require headsets or advanced accessories to operate. DJI FPV 2. The DJI FPV 2 offers a fully immersive experience through DJI FPV goggles, giving users a low-latency first-person view as if they're in the cockpit. It can also pair with the DJI Motion Controller for intuitive hand gesture control. These add-ons enhance the thrill and precision of flight, delivering an unparalleled FPV-2 experience unmatched by traditional drones. Conclusion. The DJI Neo 2 is perfect for casual users and content creators looking for a portable, user-friendly drone with advanced features for cinematic video. It's ideal for beginners and those who want smart automation and smooth footage. The DJI FPV-2, on the other hand, caters to FPV enthusiasts and thrill seekers, offering an immersive, high-speed experience with a steep learning curve. It's perfect for those who crave dynamic action shots and manual control. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. So, which drone would you choose, the DJI Neo 2 or the DJI FPV 2? Let us know your pick in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-flying drone content. Catch you in the next one.